how to set the screen resolution to HD plus, FHD plus, or QHD plus. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, we swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down, and then in here we tap on display, and then we scroll down. In here, tap on screen resolution. After that, you can choose HD plus, Full HD plus at a high resolution, or the 4K, close to 4K resolution, QHD plus. So select one of the options. And here it said sharpest visuals, most battery use. So with Full HD plus, improve visuals and moderate battery use. So you are balancing between the low resolution and between the high resolution with the most battery usage. Now select one of the options and then tap on applied, and that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.